Hey everyone, Lenovo is preparing to officially unveil the Legion Go 2 at IFA 2025 in Berlin, running from September 5th to September 9th. Although the device has been on enthusiasts' radar since its prototype appearance at CES 2025 alongside the Legion Go S, the company has remained quiet about its development until now. Thanks to a promotional video leaked by Evan Blass, we now have a clear picture of what the upcoming handheld gaming PC will offer. The Legion Go 2 refines its predecessor with a premium 8.8-inch Lenovo Pure Sight OLED screen, a significant step up for handheld gaming displays. It supports variable refresh rates and maxes out at 144 Hertz, giving it both smooth performance for competitive gaming and vibrant visuals for immersive titles. The controllers have also seen an update, with Lenovo's detachable Legion Truestrike units redesigned for comfort and versatility. A total of 6 programmable buttons have been added for customization, 2 located on the edge of the right controller, and the rest distributed across the back of both controllers. A new fingerprint scanner integrated into the power button offers both security and convenience, a feature missing from the original Legion Go. As with its predecessor, the Legion Go 2 supports multiple play modes. It can be used in tablet mode for a touchscreen first experience, console mode when docked with a separately sold charging adapter, or first-person shooter mode, where the right controller doubles as a precision aiming device. This flexibility continues to be one of Lenovo's key selling points, letting players adapt the device to different styles of play. Under the hood, the Legion Go 2 is powered by AMD's Ryzen Z 2 Extreme processor, the same chip that drives the ROG Ally X. This APU combines 3 high-performance Zen 5 cores with 5 efficient Zen 5C cores, giving it 8 cores and 16 threads overall. The base clock begins at 2 GHz, with the Zen 5 cores capable of boosting up to 5 GHz. Lenovo has also made improvements to durability and maintenance. The chassis is coated with a new excimer finish that improves fingerprint resistance, durability, and cleaning ease. Cooling is handled by Legion Cold Front technology, which intakes air from the rear and exhausts it through the top to keep temperatures under control during extended sessions. Accessories are set to complement the launch, including a Legion Go dock for expanded connectivity and a Legion Go sling bag for easier portability. Lenovo is expected to confirm pricing and availability at IFA 2025, where the Legion Go 2 will take center stage. The Legion Go 2 is shaping up to be a major evolution of Lenovo's handheld lineup, blending powerful hardware, thoughtful ergonomic upgrades, and improved build quality with a wide range of play modes. It will compete directly with devices like the ROG Ally X and Steam Deck OLED, and its final impact will likely depend on Lenovo's pricing strategy when it officially launches. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. Have a nice day and God bless you.